Alright, dude. This will be the last ride in this car. Ideally. Hopefully she makes it. Oh my god, dude. I can't believe I'm getting rid of this car. I've had this car since 2005. And it's been paid off since like 2010, I think. But I am 100% convinced something's wrong with this thing. I don't know, something's not right. So we're gonna go trade her in. Alright, I'm pretty sure we're early, so boom. We made it, dude. Oh, I love you, car. It's been so much fun. You've been the greatest car ever. I love you. You've been so good to me. Even though I put 4 transmissions in you and a bunch of shit, you were still amazing. You took us all over the place. You brought us to the vet when we needed it. You brought us to the hospital when we needed it. You drove us to so many girls' houses, so many concerts, so many places this car has taken me. Let me tell you a quick story, and here's another reason that it's hard to get rid of this car. Tom Morello from Rage Against the Machine sat in this passenger seat right here. When I worked at House of Blues, he was doing his own little tour as the night watchman. I don't know if he's even still doing that, but it was just a little acoustic thing he was doing himself, and he came and played the small room at House of Blues when I worked there. It's called the Cambridge Room. It's about 400 seat capacity, sold it out. During the day, you know, you set up and all that, and then you just kind of hang out. And the same thing with the band. I mean, they're just hanging out. They're bored. They're in the green room. They're outside. They're talking to us. They're just bored, you know. So there he is outside hanging out, and, you know, and he's talking to the green room girl, and he's like, I want to go to the grassy knoll and stuff. He got somebody that could take me. And she's like, yeah, let me blah, 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 and I'll take you. And I was like, you know what? I'll take him. So me and the guy that was my roommate at the time, Dave, we were both stagehands, and we were working a split shift. So we were off. We were just hanging out till it was time for us to work again. And dude, Tom Morello got in this car, and Dave and I drove him to the grassy knoll. That was before iPhones and all that shit, so there's no pictures. But I took pictures of him. Tom Morello gave me his camera, and he went and sat on the grassy knoll, and I took some shots of him, like, sitting there, and it was so cool, bro. Like, he was such a nice guy. He was so just like, hey, what's up, y'all? Yeah, cool, man. You know, and then we were joking around, and he was like, what do y'all got, a band or whatever? And we were like, my roommate Dave's in a band, and they're looking for a singer. They just lost their singer. And he goes, yeah, I know all about that. Chris Cornell had just left Audio Slave at the time. He's like, yeah, we know all about that. And I go, yeah, speaking of that, can I get Chris Cornell's phone number from you? And he started laughing. He said, I ought to give it to you. Dude, I almost had Chris Cornell's phone number. But yeah, dude, Tom Morello sat in his car, bro. We drove to the grassy knoll. Like, how cool is that? I'm going to miss this car, man. A lot of great, great memories. A lot of awesome fucking memories, dude. Road trips. 200. I bought it with 40,000 miles. It's got 250 on it now, so 210,000 miles. All right, here comes our sales guy, it looks like. Love you guys. Talk to y'all later. All right, let's see what happens, bro. Hopefully this shit goes good.
It's just pulling the car up for you.
It's all good, man.
Okay.
Yeah. What's up, man? There she is, boys.
Yes, sir.
What's up? I'm Dustin.
Nice to meet you, Chris.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, man. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So, we going on the car buying journey.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, dude. Not bad, not bad. What's that shit? Yeah. Definitely got some spots on it, huh? Yeah, this thing needs to be buffed. It's like scratched all over. Dull and out. It looks like they never waxed it ever. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, this thing's like scratched all over the place. I mean, I'm
Yeah,
sure that
so-
can all. I know that can be buffed out.
Yeah, I left that. So because it hasn't.
Dude, they must have drove this thing past bushes.
Yeah.
God. But all right. I'm just picky, bro.
Okay, got you.
Y'all got a Carfax on it? Like, is it ever been wrecked or anything? Or?
Yeah, let me get some information from you and I'll put you on the
Okay.
Carfax.
Yeah, man. Fucking rims are fucked. What is that? Oh shit. Dude, the fucking bumper's fucking. Oh, bro, this thing needs a whole new bumper, dude. Damn, y'all. Bro, we are buying a used car. Fuck, dude. What's the inside look like? Seats ain't too bad. We can clean that up. Smells alright. Fucking headlights are going too. That's why they only want 20 for it. Carfax on it. One owner. I like that. Personal vehicle, last owned in Texas. Regular oil changes, no accidents, good shit. Oh,
There you go.
cool.
Yeah, if you want to get a start, I'll be right back.
All right. I mean, all that bumper stuff can be fixed. I don't necessarily want to have to fix it though. Pop the hood on this thing. See if we got anything missing under here. What the fuck is that? Bird shit. Oh, good. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. They said it needs a new battery. They're going to put a new battery in it. Clean up this engine bay, bro. It's not tapping or nothing. You know, no knocks or anything. I guess they're going to spray this down too, huh? Engine bay. Got it.
Yeah, we're going to push this guy as well.
I just want to see what's my dipstick look like. Granted, these are stainless, so no chunks on it. That's good. Let's see what this girl does. Backup camera works. It doesn't feel like it needs motor mounts or anything.
Oh no, yeah. When I drove it yesterday, it feels like it glides. Like it has that really light Toyota power steering everybody's after.
Yeah, it does have very light steering. Oh yeah, we can go out right there.
Yeah. And then at the speed limits, we can make it less.
Bro, I hate doing this because you know, like, you're like, are they fucking me? Of course they are. Of course they are. Let's see what they'll give me for my car. See what we can get out of here with. Damn, they got this thing serviced, bro. Dude, this thing's got every oil change ever, bro. You think this shit's real? You think they made this? They wouldn't make this shit up, right? I like this, dude.
Yeah.
Damn, it's even like 11.9 on a 3 or 4. 9% would be 1 to 2 years. Damn. New cars. Damn, they're at 8, 11. Bruh. Interest rates suck right now, dude. I'm gonna be paying a lot of money for this car. With 70,000 miles on it. We're basically paying the same thing we paid for that TL with 48,000 miles on it. Just like the same price. Damn, dude. Buy some merch. Bitch, I'm a Bossalino. Most guys make a video called how not to get ripped off at the car dealership. I should make a video called how to textbook get ripped off. How to just sign things without even asking questions. No, I'm asking questions. I'm kind of giving the dude a hard time about the body work and stuff. But they're saying they can fix it. So we'll see what happens. Dude's good though, they're being real nice. They're giving me $850 for my car. They want to give me $850 for Charlotte. That's cold-blooded, bro. That car is more beat up than mine. And mine's like fucking 13 years older or something. Fuck, dude. I knew it was going to be like that. I knew there was a reason they only wanted 20. But what's getting me is the one owner and every service record. Every service record was done like at a Toyota. That's what matters. The body can be fixed. All right, boys and girls, let's see what happens. The car's gone. I don't know where it went. See? It's right there. I don't know where it's at. Dude left too. Yes, sir. How you doing?
I'm David.
Nice to meet you. Let's go. Yeah, boy. What up, Bossalinas? All right, so look, now we're in the finance office. Bro, they work you, dude. They're working me. They're working me. But I was strong, and I said I don't want the car warranty. It's a Toyota, bro. These things don't break. I'm gonna stick with the note we agreed on, and hopefully I can afford it. Watch some videos. I gotta pay for this car. Still in the finance office. Bro, these deals that they work are fucking shady as fuck, dude. These deals are shady. I'll tell you, I can't say it right now. I'll say it. Y'all better be at the stream tonight, Bossalinas. And join the Discord. And join the Patreon. Help me pay for this car. It's $1. Give me your $1. And you can see all kind of cool stuff. And I promise, I put pressure on myself to make sure that Patreon is good. I care about you guys. I'm not gonna freaking rip you off. They're trying to push like a 72-month loan on me. And they want to save me $10 a month. I'm like, that shit don't add up. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, dude. You need me in there right now? Okay. I like it. You got it. Kind of looks like Grandma's car, but it is Grandma's car. Keys. All right. I'm coming. It's got some scratches. I mean, fuck, dude. It's got 70,000 miles on it. Back window sucks. Ain't that retinted? We'll go see our boy Gerald at Dark Side Tint. Oh, here we go. I love you, baby girl. You be good and strong, and thanks for all the good times. Damn, y'all. That hurts, man, letting that car go. Woo! Ha! She got some torque. Don't let the Avalon fool you, bitch. Oh, we got modes, bitch. We got modes. We might. Oh, we're in sport mode, bitch. We got sport mode. Ah! We got a sport mode, bro. We got modes. I always wanted a sport mode. They got CDs again. Sport mode. Oh, sport mode, bitch. Sport mode. Oh shit, dude. right, there she is, Bossalina's. The new Bossalina mobile. This thing is ours whether we like it or not. I love it though. It's the shit. Hell yeah, bro. I'm happy as hell. Love it, dude. All right, Bossalinas. Thanks for kicking it with me today. This shit was fun. Y'all think I made a bad decision? Let me know in the comments. Just only give me good comments. I get no bad comments. All right, Bossalinas. I love you guys. Thanks again for hanging out all day. Look, it's your boy. What's up? Hey, Bossalina Mobile. All right, love y'all. Thanks for kicking it. Bossalina out.